Hi, I'm Idan and I'm one of the co-founders of Blix. Our mission is to help you analyze your customers' text feedback and getting to those deep insights quickly and easily. In this short demo, we'll analyze survey responses to the question, why do you recommend a Disney credit card to others? So I'll start a new project, upload the data file, and select the columns that I want to analyze. Next, I'll provide the question from the survey and click Generate Themes. On the left, we get a codebook suggestion created by Blix with themes like card design and ease of use. And on the right, you'll see the actual responses and their assigned codes. Let's take a look at the card is cute and works well. Blix tags it under card design and reliability, even though those exact words don't appear in the response. That's because Blix codes based on meaning, not keywords, just like a human researcher. You'll notice some of the responses are in Japanese and French. Even so, we're using a single English codebook, and Blix applies it automatically. If you want, you can easily check out the translation. Blix gives you full control over the code frame. You can easily add split or merge codes to tailor it to your research needs. Let's create a new code. I like Star Wars. You can also add instructions or examples to help guide the AI. Then we can apply the changes and inspect how the data got recoded with a new code frame. Once you're happy with the code frame, click Apply Tags to All Data. This generated a full report with a frequency chart, summaries, and quotes from the survey. You can also filter the report by any variable in your dataset and compare between segments. When you're ready to take your analysis further, you can export the fully coded dataset for advanced quantitative analysis. The exported file has 3 tabs, one for the codebook data and 2 tabs for the fully coded data in binary and categorical formats. You can also export designed PowerPoint slides to help you present results quickly and professionally. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.